I decided to sleep in my car last night right here. I'm right off the side of the highway. I'm about an hour away from the trailhead, so I'm going to drive up to the trailhead right now. But it was so nice to wake up this morning. Everything is so green. And the sky, I don't know if you can tell, but it's completely clear. I don't see any clouds up there, which is amazing. I'm so excited today. I'm so excited for today. It's going to be super awesome. So let's get moving. The road is closed about a quarter mile up that way, so I'm gonna park right here and road walk it up to the trailhead, which is about 5 miles away. Let's get this adventure started. Holy crap, it's beautiful, man. Such a beautiful day. And this forest is so beautiful and lush and green. And there's nobody out here. There's nobody out here, probably because if you wanted to come out here, you'd have to do a 5 mile, more like 6 mile road walk. So yeah, I have this place all to myself. And it's just perfect, man. It's perfect. I just found an excellent campsite right here, kind of close to the river. That's the Hoh River. So I'm probably going to camp right in this area tonight. The crazy thing is it's 4:30 in the afternoon, or should I say evening, because it's probably going to get dark here in about 10 minutes, but the sun definitely sets earlier, so it's about to get dark here in a bit, even though it's only 4:30. So yeah, this is an excellent little campsite right here, right on the grass, nice and clear, which is awesome. I'm using a jet boil tonight for the first time in a very long time. I usually don't pack a stove with me because it's too heavy and I don't feel like I enjoy hot meals as much. But I did decide to change it up on this trip because I knew it was probably going to be cold and wet. I have some ramen here that I'm going to cook. This is actually one of my favorite brands of ramen to eat. So I'm going to cook that up and have that for dinner tonight and just chill out because I can't go to sleep right now because I'm not very tired because it's only like 5 o'clock. This ramen tastes so good, especially on a cold night like tonight. Super nice, actually. It's a bunch of Olympic National Park chickens. Look. My original plan was to hike all the way up to Glacier Meadows, which is about 17 miles one way. With the added road walking miles, I was going to be unable to make it all the way up to Glacier Meadows. I ended up just hiking up the valley before it got too late in the day, and that was my adventure for the day. This is the point where I am going to turn around. I'm about 5 miles away from Glacier Meadows, which is up the trail that way. About 5 more miles, but it's getting pretty late and the sun's gonna set here in a little bit. Very early, by the way. So I decided to turn around and head back to my camp and enjoy the rest of this day. I just got back to the camp. Just started cooking some Annie's mac and cheese, white cheddar shells and white cheddar. Super delicious. Apparently it's going to rain tomorrow, so I'm going to try to get things prepared for rain, because it actually might start raining early in the morning tomorrow, so I might wake up to a wet tent and then have to hike the 5 miles to the trailhead and then the 6-mile road walk all through the rain back to my car, which will be fun.
Alright, I just woke up and it is raining. Not too bad right now, but a little bit, and the sun has come up, kind of. At least it's light enough to start hiking, so I'm gonna pack up and get on out of here. Yeah.
So last night I slept for a whopping 12 hours, which is definitely the most I've slept for in a while. I went to sleep probably around 7 p.m. and then woke up at around 7 a.m. and it was still dark when I woke up too. I just couldn't go back to sleep. And yeah, it was a lot of sleep. Anyways, when I woke up it was raining, but it seemed to have died off a little bit. It's not raining right now, but everything is nice and wet. Alright, got to the end of the trail. This video is now over.